This SAT problem, we have a right square pyramid, so it's going to be a square base, and then it's going to be a pyramid, and this is a bad drawing, but you get the idea that it's a pyramid, and has a total surface area of this thing right here, and the combined surface area of the four lateral faces, which are these triangles, has an area of 38,160. So that means subtracting those, we have that this base right here has an area of 32400, because that's just this one minus this one, so that gives us 32400, and so square root of that is exactly equal to 180. So each side length of this square is 180. Now I want to find the height of this pyramid. Now how we're going to do that is you can imagine sort of taking a cross section of this. So imagine we have like a plane like this, and we're taking a cross section of this pyramid. So we're going to have some sort of isosceles triangle here, where these things, these lines right here, are actually these lines of the pyramid. And so now this base is 180 because this is a square again, and this thing right here is exactly the height h. Now that we also know that the four lateral faces, their surface area is 38,160. So 38,160 divided by 4 will give us the area of one thing, and so that is going to be 9540. So the area of one of these triangles on the exterior, this is also going to have a base of 180, but this height right here is actually the same thing as this. So I'm going to call this L, and this height right here is L, because now I'm taking the surface, whereas this one was just this thing right here. And the reason I'm doing this is I really want to find what this L is equal to, so then I can plug it into here and find what the h is equal to. So we have that this is L, and the area of this thing is 9540. And so we can just do that. So 180 L divided by 2 is equal to 9540. This 90L, so 90L is equal to 9540. L is equal to 106. So we know L is 106. So now we can just plug that into here. This is 106, and again, this thing right here is 90. We know this is an isosceles triangle because it's a right square pyramid. It's a square, all the sides are going to be the same, and so all these triangles are also going to be the same, and so these lengths are the same, so that's how we know it's isosceles. And so this thing, the median of an isosceles triangle is also the altitude, so we know this is a right angle. And so right here, I'm just going to draw this separately. So this is a 90,106h right triangle. And so when we do the Pythagorean theorem, just 106 squared minus 90 squared, that's going to be exactly equal to 3136. And now the square root of 3136 is exactly equal to 56. So this was a super duper long problem, but that actually gives us the final answer of A.